guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a budget with me. We are budgeting out the month of May, and as you can see, I have my budget planner here. This is a budget planner that I created, and I also have my happy planner. So this is what I have decided to do. I have really been trying to condense and organize as much as I possibly can, and with me having multiple planners, it kind of worked when I had a bag, meaning I had a bag, I would just throw all my planners in and I would just be able to kind of be on the go because I was always on the go. But with us being in the house, I'm not really carrying a bag with me. I'm just kind of walking around my house, which means I was looking to condense as much as I possibly could because I could not carry my planners around me from room to room. So I am down now to 2 planners. The first planner is my catch-all planner. This is my catch-all planner, and it is an hourly Erin Condren planner, and this is where I keep my entire schedule. I also set up my goals and stuff for the month, what books I'm reading, all of that stuff. My social media numbers are down here. I have my calendar and my actual schedule. If you want to see how I do my plan with me's, please go check out my other channel. And I have moved all of the planner content as far as how I am working in these planners to that channel. So all of my plan with me's are there. But that's how I use this Erin Condren. But on top of my Erin Condren, I also had a happy planner, and that happy planner was a classic size happy planner that was franken-planned into about 6 or 7 sections. I have decided to switch that classic size happy planner to this one, which is the big happy planner. The reason why I decided to switch to the big happy planner is first because I wanted the additional size, because I put so much into my planners and I have so much going on. I was trying to condense the number of sections that I had, meaning the number of planners that I would need, while also being able to kind of condense it and put everything into this one. So this is my planner. It doesn't start until July, but one thing that I did want to show you guys was that I added my budget planner to this planner. So if I flip open to the budget section, as you can see, I've added the planner here. So I basically took out the month of April out of my budget planner and put it in my happy planner so that I can franken plan it and I could have all my sections all in this one planner. So I still have to finish setting it all up, but I do have a business section, I have a home section, I'm going to have a reading section, a faith section, and then of course I have my to-do planner, or the one that kind of starts in July, but I'll probably use some paper and some inserts until we get to July. So for now, I'm going to take out the month of April, add in the month of May so that we can start the plan with me. So I still need to do my April check-in, and I'll leave this blank for now because that is for another video. But on the back here, I still have this sheet where I kind of add out all of my preliminary weeks, and then I have it here where I'm going to actually put in my monthly spread with my colorful dots. I have my colorful dots here, and as you know, I associate each color with a particular check. So every time we get paid, I just change out the colors to be associated with that check. So for this month, orange was week 1, was paycheck 1, and then this was paycheck 2 for green, paycheck 3 for blue, paycheck 4 for burgundy, and we got 5 this month because there was another check. So let's go ahead and set up the month of May. Okay, so I've added all of the days of the month, and now I'm going to go in with my colorful dots. Okay, I am attempting to add in the stuff that I don't normally add on my calendar, which is our food, sinking fund, savings, and tithe. Usually I don't put them on the calendar, but I decided to start just to see how I like it. And if I don't like it, I just won't do it next month. Okay, so this is how it looks, and I'm already kind of liking it a little bit more because I feel like it's a bit more realistic. A lot of times when I look at my monthly, like here, it's not really giving me the full view because I don't have on things that may not have a particular date, but I do need to cover. So now that I've added in like tithe and food and sinking funds and savings and all of that into here, I feel like the budget is a bit more realistic. And when I do my projected here, I'm just going to add in everything that I put on this side and then add up all of the amounts that are here to see exactly how I do. So that's what we're gonna do now. I'm actually expecting a little bit more income, so I'm going to put that down here. I'm thinking it's going to be like an additional 1,100, and I don't want to leave it out so that I can make sure I kind of keep track if we do end up getting it and what I'm going to allot it to. So I've added in additional expenses down here for the additional 1,100 that I believe is coming. And basically I'm just going to do tithe, sinking funds, save, investments, and I'm going to put the balance on my car. We are currently paying down my car, and right now I have like 17,000 left on it. So I'm currently paying it off, and I would like to be done with that by the end of the year. So now let's turn it over and start working on this. Okay, I've added all of the expenses and the income to my monthly spreadsheet. So the good thing about this is that every time I do this, I might end up being below or above where I really want to be, but I mean, it's all just an estimate until I get the actual numbers. So this week or this month I'm projecting $98.50, and I've allocated all of the expenses out and even put the remaining balance to either sinking funds or savings at the end of the month. But like I said, since we are on variable income, I am not 100% sure if exactly what we're going to get. So this is going to be like an ongoing updating kind of thing where I am just kind of projecting stuff out and then adding it up and seeing where we are. But I do like still adding in my tithe, my food, dental, and sinking funds and savings to my actual calendar here so that I can check them off as I get them, and even adding them to my monthly spreadsheet so that I can see more accurately how we come out. So let's see where we currently are with savings. So I keep my savings account at a separate bank from all of my other checking accounts, and it is a Capital One 360 money market account, and the starting balance is $3,101. I had stopped contributing to it for a little while I paid off some debt, but now I just kind of really reduced the amount that's going to the account. Right now I think I have it set up at $50 a week. and I'll probably keep it there. I was looking to increasing it to maybe to $80 a week, but keeping it there until I kind of get some major debt out of the way, and then I will kind of go back to it. For my debt reduction, I am currently working on my car. At first, I was working on my credit card. I think I told you guys that in my April budget with me video, but I switched over to working on my car because I believe we're going to need to get my husband a new car soon. And I told you guys I don't like to have 2 car notes at one time. I only want to have one. So I'm going to pay off my car first. The current balance is $17,433. So as I make payments on it, I will just jot that down here. For our sinking funds, I keep our sinking funds in an account with Capital. If you've never heard of Capital, it's an app that you can transfer money into, or you can have it take out change out of your account and basically save the money there. I like to kind of have it doing its own thing because it's automatic and it's something that I don't have to worry about or think about. So currently in our sinking funds, I have 3 of them. The first one is for my camera. I want to get a new camera for YouTube for my business, so I have that on there. I also need to get our pool repaired. We have a crack in one of our lines that needs to be repaired, so I'm adding that there. And then our car insurance is coming up in the month of June. So those are the 3 that I'm working on right now. Currently, we just had to move something from it. So as of right now, I believe I have, it's like 100, and this one 300 in pool repair and 1,000 in car insurance. So for the camera, I know I'm gonna need about an additional $600 there. I'm going to need another $3,000 for the pool repair. We'll probably do it in parts, $1,500 and $1,500, but together I will need $3,000. And the car insurance is another $1,000. So we still have some work to do there, but we are constantly saving, and everything doesn't have to be done at the exact same time too. So once I hit one of my marks, I could take that out, do that, and then work on the other 2. So that's where we are right now. And as far as cash envelopes, I am not currently using cash envelopes because we've been home, and the stores have recommended that we not use cash as much as possible because it spreads germs. So I have been using this more as like an expense tracker, or just not using it at all. So that's what I'll probably do for this month also, is just kind of use it as a tracker. And then this will be my weekly budget, which we will start on that next week. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope that this video has helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.